Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B demand generation. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B demand generation, start by signing into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions homepage. Here, click on the Create Ad button, which will redirect you to the Campaign Manager setup page. If this is your first time using Campaign Manager, you may need to create an account. Follow the prompts to set up your Campaign Manager account. After your account is created, you will land on the Campaign Manager dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the Create Campaign button to start your campaign setup. Select your marketing objective from the list provided. For B2B demand generation, consider choosing objectives like lead generation or website visits. Next, choose your target audience. You can define your audience based on various criteria, including location, industry, job title, and company size. Take your time to refine targeting to ensure you are reaching the right people. Once your audience is set, select your ad format. LinkedIn offers several ad formats, including sponsored content, text ads, and message ads. Choose the format that best aligns with your campaign goals. Next, input your ad creative, including headlines, descriptions, and images. Ensure all materials are professional and aligned with your brand image. After you finalize your ad creatives, set your budget and schedule. Decide on a daily or total budget that suits your campaign capabilities. Select a start date and, if desired, an end date for your campaign. Review all the details to ensure accuracy before launching your campaign. Once you are satisfied, click on the Launch Campaign button to activate your ads. Monitor the performance of your ads in the Campaign Manager dashboard. Use LinkedIn's analytic tools to track engagement metrics and adjust your strategy as needed. This process will help you effectively activate LinkedIn Campaign Manager for B2B demand generation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.